How to increase egg production in ovary. Easy ways to increase egg production in ovary. 1. Blood flow and proper oxygenation. Oxygen-rich blood flow to the ovaries is essential for good egg health. Blood flow can decrease from lack of exercise, dehydration, and thick blood. To increase blood flow to the ovaries, follow these suggestions. Exercise. Find something to do that includes movement, such as tennis, walking, running, dancing, or fertility yoga. Exercise increases the blood flow in the body, brings fresh blood to all of the cells and helps to oxygenate the blood. Get at least 8 ounces glasses of pure water every day. Dehydration can cause your blood to become thick and decrease circulation in the body, as well as many other issues. Make sure to drink purified water that is not bottled in plastic. An easy way to get a head start every morning is to put a quart of water next to your bed when you go to sleep. You can then drink a quart of water upon rising and you are halfway done with your water intake for the day. Get abdominal or fertility massage. One of the best therapies for increasing blood flow to the reproductive system is by massaging your uterus and ovaries. Massage helps to bring fresh, oxygenated blood to the ovaries and removes old stagnant blood. You can have a massage therapist perform abdomen massage or find a therapist who specializes in fertility or abdominal massage. You can also learn how to apply self-fertility massage trademark and do it in the comfort of your own home. It is best done starting the day after your period has ended and continue all month long, practicing at least 4 times a week. If you are currently trying to conceive, perform the massage techniques from the day after your period has ended up until ovulation. 2. Hormonal balance. Hormonal balance is essential for proper egg health. Due to environmental factors, stress, and modern diets, more and more women are becoming hormonally imbalanced. If hormonal balance is off, the eggs may not respond, the fertility cycle gets out of balance, and ovulation may not occur. An intricate hormonal symphony is at play every month in preparation and fulfillment of the fertility cycle. But there is good news: balancing your hormones is possible. 3. Nutrition. During this window of opportunity, what you are eating can also impact the health of your ovaries and eggs either positively or negatively. It's up to you. The types of nutrients your eggs depend on are found in a diet dense in nutrition. Check out the nutrient-dense fertility diet for a complete guide about eating for fertility and egg health.